Welcome back to our channel release on Netflix. Let's start the video now. Love it or hate it, Haunted is awesome television sequence that tells the tale of real supernatural encounters with dramatizations and manufacturing feat to boot. Whilst the collection has been widely condemned for its terrible corroborating evidence, some limitless enthusiasts love looking at the reconstructions and feeling the goosebumps that emerge. Season 3 of Haunted is ready to launch this week. However, what time can enthusiasts look into the collection's subsequent horrifying chapter? The one-third season of Haunted is scheduled to premiere on Netflix on Friday, May 14th. At the time of writing, Haunted Season 3 is predicted to launch on Netflix at midnight PDT on Friday, May 13th. Haunted Season 3 is a docuseries that has human beings communicate approximately about their real lifestyle supernatural reviews with their pals and own circle of relatives and additionally capabilities chilling reenactments. Also subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for more Netflix movies, web series reviews, news and updates. The collection changed into fun and complete of creepy memories, nothing too awful and summertime season campy. It's an amusing look ahead to the own circle of relatives if you are with inside the temper for something creepy. However, not anything too serious. Haunted Season 3 is very amusing in addition to the franchise. The collection includes 6 episodes and every around 25 minutes lengthy and begins off very creepily. The first episode, titled In the Pines, capabilities a lady being brutally tortured, we then reduce to an augmented scene. A lady who has supposedly haunted talks approximately her reviews with the supernatural. What follows is her approximately mother's horrible parenting and her leaving her domestic whilst she comes of age. But what takes place when she moves right into a residence together along with a boyfriend? This is how each episode of Haunted Season 3 goes. It's a chilly, amusing and desirable, sufficient for everyone from any age to enjoy. The different memories are similar. A person moves into a brand new domestic or receives something news which is cursed. They then pay attention, creaking with inside the night time, and their lives are all suddenly changed. The memories are stuff we have got hard earlier than the most. However, the worry with inside the narrator's eyes makes a bit of difference. As with different seasons, again, Haunted Season 3 takes its environment very seriously. It's darkish and foreboding, and the narrators communicate in low and deep voices. Everyone seems somber as they may be going through some ordeal right now. It provides to the seriousness of the situations which otherwise in all likelihood now no longer anyone takes seriously. Moreover, the manufacturing is awesome and the appearance of the recreation is beautiful. Every scene seems to be awesome. Thank you for watching the video till end. For more Netflix movies, web series, reviews, news and updates, please visit our website www.releaseonnetflix.com, and if you like our video then hit the like button and share it with your friends. Also, to stay updated, please subscribe to our channel Release on Netflix.